In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop notifications from BeautyCam app. If you are getting a lot of alerts from this app and you wish to put an end to this, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to do this, we need to go ahead and access BeautyCam app info. You can simply do this by going to settings or by using a shortcut, and that is long pressing on your app. So if I long press on my app, you can see we have three options: share, app info, and uninstall. I'll go ahead and tap on app info here, and on the app info page, go to the permissions section and look for notifications. As you can see, all these notifications are on. Among them are permanent notifications, vibration, play sound, lock screen, floating, as well as notification badges. With this on, this is the main reason why you have been receiving those alerts. To turn them off, go ahead and toggle off show notifications, and from now henceforth you'll never again receive any alerts from this app unless you go ahead and toggle this on again. So that's how you can permanently stop notifications from BeautyCam app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.